Do you want to share YouTube video link on Facebook Story? You can put a YouTube link on Facebook Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share a YouTube video link on Facebook Story, first, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you're in YouTube, open the video that you want to share. Now, below the video, tap on the Share button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Copy Link. Once the YouTube video link is copied, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. At the top of your feed, tap on plus Create Story. Now, select a photo, video, or background color for your story. On the Story Editor screen, tap on the sticker icon on the right. A new screen will appear. From here, select Link. Now, on the new screen, paste the copied YouTube link into the URL box. You can also add text for your link in the custom sticker text field. Once pasted, tap on Add button to save. Once ready, tap on the Share button to post your story. Now, your viewers can tap on it to watch the video directly on YouTube.